Well.
Hello everybody, welcome to the video. Hopefully you like the new intro. I personally made it by myself. I'm quite proud of it. And yeah, let's get started. So, I'm mainly going to make a video about an insane enhancement core farm which I found off the internet. So, for example, let's say you have a bunch of enhancement prisms and you're a guy like me which has 50 of them, which is the maximum amount you can have. It clearly says max, right? Well, and then, well, you can actually turn enhancement prisms into enhancement cores. So for example, I have 17 and I want 32. I don't want to go all my way dismantling stuff, grinding. That will take too much time. So here's a little tactic that I found. Obviously, I'm not the first one who originally found it, but just I want to share it. You go to leveling. You go to the second page. You get the Gumshoe Gumption mask. You masterwork it. You masterwork it like this until it's level 8, and then with that dismantle it. Boom, 6 enhancement cores, and I'm already at 20. So yeah, and the best thing of all, you can just do that with straight blues. If you have a bunch of enhancement prisms at your disposal, then you pretty much have an infinite farm. Unless if you run out enhancement prisms or if you have very little amount. So yeah, happy grinding guys, see you guys in the next vid, bye.